Paradigm Left welcomes you to a world where intellectual growth knows no bounds. Picture this, a place where thought-provoking workshops challenge your perspective, where engaging educational events spark your curiosity, and where the commitment to continuous learning is as natural as breathing. At Paradigm Left, we believe in the power of intellectual enrichment. We invite individuals, just like you, to delve into the depths of knowledge, to question, to explore, and to expand their intellectual horizons. This is not just a journey, it's a lifelong commitment. A commitment to personal growth, to intellectual evolution, and to the pursuit of wisdom. So, are you ready to embrace the power of learning? To challenge the status quo? To become a part of Paradigm Left? Because intellectual well-being is just a thought away. Welcome to the world of Paradigm Left.